Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this. I wasn't really going to make this video, but then I thought there is an easier way. And so here's the logo I recreated. And I moved the parts around individually. And that was for a reason, because a star does not have a center. Let's bring in our indexing lines and hit P. So let's take this star and hit P on the keyboard, and look what it did. Now the way around that is to make that star, and I've done this before, make it a 6-sided star, hit P, and then make it a 5-sided star, and it'll stay there. Then you could take your first element that you made from the previous video, Control D, double click on it, and move the rotation to the center. Sometimes it doesn't look like it's in the center, but let's just check it. Let's rotate it 72 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. There is your logo. Take our star away, select all these, and fill them in. And then left click, no outline. It was that much quicker and probably more precise. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.